Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating group of numbers called perfect squares. These are numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. You might recognize them, but do you know what makes them special? Let's find out. So, what exactly is a perfect square? Simply put, it is a number that you get when you multiply an integer by itself. For example, if we take the number 3 and multiply it by 3, we get 9. Because 3 times 3 equals 9, 9 is a perfect square. The name perfect square comes from geometry. If you have a square shape, the number of smaller units inside it is always a perfect square number. A 1 by 1 square has 1 unit. A 2 by 2 square has 4 units. A 3 by 3 square has 9 units. And a 4 by 4 square has 16 units. See the pattern growing. Here are the first 10 perfect squares. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 8 is 64, 9 times 9 is 81, and 10 times 10 is 100. Memorizing these will help you a lot in math. In mathematics, we use a small raised number 2 to represent squaring. For instance, when you see a 5 with a small 2 above it, we read this as 5 squared. This notation is just a shorthand way of saying 5 times 5, which equals 25. We can also do the reverse operation, which is called finding the square root. If squaring 3 gives us 9, then the square root of 9 brings us back to 3. The symbol for this looks like a check mark with a roof. It asks the question, which number multiplied by itself gives us this value? Here is a helpful trick to spot perfect squares. A perfect square will always end in one of these digits: 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, or 9. If a number ends in 2, 3, 7, or 8, you can be 100% sure it is not a perfect square. Why do we call it squaring? It relates directly to finding the area of a square. If a room is a square with side lengths of 5 meters, you multiply 5 by 5 to find the total floor space, which is 25 square meters. Let's test your knowledge. Look at these 4 numbers: 12, 20, 36, and 50. Which one is a perfect square? If you recalled our list earlier, you will know that 36 is the answer, because 6 times 6 equals 36. To wrap up, remember that a perfect square is the result of multiplying an integer by itself. The sequence starts with 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and continues infinitely. They represent the area of squares, and they never end in the digits 2, 3, 7, or 8. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.